Welcome to Like Health. There are 7 amazing benefits of drinking clove water at night for women. And today, we're going to break them down in a simple, science-backed way. Clove water isn't just a warm bedtime drink, it's a natural powerhouse with remarkable effects on female health. When consumed regularly before bed, it quietly supports your body while you sleep. From balancing hormones and reducing inflammation to improving digestion and skin health. This ancient remedy offers benefits that modern science is beginning to confirm. The best part? It's easy to make and fits seamlessly into your nightly routine. Whether you're looking for better sleep, fewer cravings, or more radiant skin, this may be the answer. Let's explore the 7 most important reasons why every woman should consider drinking clove water at night. Benefit number 1. Supports hormonal balance. Clove water contains eugenol, a powerful compound known to support endocrine function. For women, especially during PMS or perimenopause, this can help ease mood swings and irritability. It may also aid in regulating estrogen levels naturally, without harsh chemicals or medications. Balanced hormones mean more stable energy, better sleep, and improved emotional well-being. Drinking clove water at night allows your body to absorb and use these compounds during rest. It also reduces inflammation, which plays a key role in hormone disruption. Over time, this simple drink can help restore hormonal harmony, naturally and gently. Benefit number 2. Enhances digestive health. Clove water stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. This reduces bloating, gas, and discomfort, common issues many women experience after dinner. Drinking it at night supports overnight digestion and encourages regular bowel movements in the morning. Cloves also help relax the intestinal lining, easing cramps and indigestion. Their antimicrobial properties combat harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthier microbiome. A healthy digestive system is closely tied to mood, immunity, and skin clarity. Adding clove water to your nighttime routine is an easy way to support gut health from the inside out. It's gentle, natural, and surprisingly effective with consistent use. Benefit number 3. Promotes clearer and healthier skin. Clove water is rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a major cause of premature aging. It helps purify the blood, which reflects directly on your skin's clarity and radiance. The antibacterial properties of cloves can also help reduce acne and skin inflammation from within. By improving digestion and detoxification, clove water addresses skin issues at their root. Drinking it at night allows these effects to work while your skin regenerates during sleep. It may even support collagen production, leading to firmer, smoother skin over time. If you're dealing with dullness, breakouts, or uneven tone, this simple drink could be your new secret. Beautiful skin truly starts from within, and clove water is a great place to begin. Benefit number 4. Aids in weight management. Clove water naturally boosts metabolism thanks to compounds like eugenol and capsaicin-like agents. It helps regulate appetite and reduce late-night cravings, a key factor in healthy weight loss. By improving digestion and nutrient absorption, it ensures your body uses food more efficiently. Clove water also helps reduce water retention and bloating, making you feel lighter and more energized. Its impact on blood sugar levels may curb sugar spikes that lead to fat storage. Plus, by reducing inflammation, it supports a healthier metabolic environment. When combined with good sleep and a balanced diet, clove water becomes a gentle fat-burning ally. It's a natural and easy addition to your nighttime routine for long-term results. Benefit number 5. Relieves menstrual pain. Clove water is known for its natural pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties, making it highly effective for easing menstrual cramps. It contains eugenol, a powerful compound that helps relax the muscles of the uterus and reduce pain intensity. Women who suffer from painful periods may find regular clove water soothing and helpful in reducing discomfort. It also improves blood circulation, which can further ease abdominal pain during menstruation. Clove water acts as a natural alternative to over-the-counter painkillers, without harmful side effects. It may also help regulate menstrual flow and ease symptoms of PMS, including mood swings and fatigue. Drinking warm clove water a few days before and during the period can maximize its calming effects. Many women find it a gentle, natural way to manage their monthly cycles more comfortably. Benefit number 6. Fights skin breakouts and acne. Clove water is packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties. These help fight the bacteria that cause acne and skin inflammation. Its antioxidants clear toxins from the bloodstream, reducing skin flare-ups. Eugenol also calms redness and tightens pores, giving you smoother skin. It even helps regulate oil production and balances your skin's pH. Drinking clove water may gradually reduce hormonal breakouts over time. With regular use, many women notice brighter, clearer complexions. It's like a natural skincare solution, starting from the inside out. Benefit number 7. Strengthens hair and prevents hair loss. Clove water nourishes hair follicles from within, promoting stronger growth. Its rich antioxidants improve blood circulation to the scalp, fueling hair health. Eugenol in cloves fights scalp infections that can cause dandruff and hair fall. It also reduces inflammation, which supports a healthy hair growth environment. Drinking it regularly may lead to thicker, shinier, and more resilient hair. It helps balance hormones too, another major cause of female hair loss. With consistent use, many women notice reduced shedding and breakage. It's a powerful beauty tonic that works where it matters, deep at the root. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new